Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Looking for a quick and easy NETGEAR Orbi RBK353 setup tutorial? This video provides a complete walkthrough for installing your Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. We'll show you how to connect the router, pair the satellites, customize your Wi-Fi settings, and improve wireless coverage in every room. Whether you're a new Orbi user or upgrading your home network, this guide will help you complete the setup process without any confusion. Subscribe for more Wi-Fi extender, mesh system, router, and networking tutorials. Firstly, unbox the NETGEAR Orbi RBK353 box. Inside the NETGEAR Orbi RBK353 Wi-Fi mesh system box, you'll find one Orbi router, 2 Orbi satellites, 3 power adapters, 1 Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Everything you need is included to help you quickly set up and enjoy whole home Wi-Fi coverage. Connect one end of the cable to the modem's Ethernet port. Connect the other end to the yellow Internet WAN port on the back of the Orbi router. Plug the router's power adapter into a power outlet. Turn on the modem first. Wait 2 to 3 minutes until the modem is fully online. Allow the Orbi router to boot completely. The router's LED may pulse while starting up. Wait until the startup process finishes. On your computer or mobile device, open the Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the Orbi Wi-Fi network. The default network name, SSID, and password can be found on a label on the router or in the user manual. Now open a web browser according to your choice and enter http://orbilogin.com or http://192.168.1.1 in the address bar. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username is admin, and the default password is password, unless you've changed these credentials. Once logged in, you'll be guided through the setup wizard. Choose the option to set up your internet connection using the 4G LTE network. The router should automatically detect the SIM card and configure the internet settings. If it doesn't, you may need to enter the APN, access point name, provided by your mobile carrier. You can customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password if you want to. Save the changes. It's recommended to check for firmware updates to ensure your router is running the latest software. You can do this from the web interface under the router settings. After setup is complete, disconnect and reconnect to the Orbi Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and check if you can access the internet. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.